beautiful people, and welcome back to another thrift haul by our girl here, Big Bubbly Beauty. So this is another ThredUP thrift haul, and this is my puppy, Blue Bear. So if you see, I'm wearing one of my previous thrifted shirts. It is very comfortable, and I love the colors. It is Tommy Hilfiger, a bit of a brand kind of spot in there, but I gotta admit, they might have a point when they look for it in the thrift store. It's very comfortable and very good quality. Yeah, right, Blue Bear. Anyways, I'm excited to get into this. I do not remember what is in this box because I got it a few months ago. But let's get started. Ooh. Okay, so the very first thing I see and that I'm drawn to is this adorable clutch. Oh my god. I don't know how to describe it, but it looks almost like wrappers. So like candy bar wrappers and chip bag wrappers that are made into this awesome kind of crisscross pattern. I like the little wrist strap. And ooh, that crisscross pattern goes all the way on the inside. It's not actually lined, which is very interesting. I think that if you want to put any coins or anything that's loose like that that could get out inside, you should have a coin purse. But it shouldn't have a problem with things like cards or your phone. And it does look big enough to hold my phone. Haha! It does, and it is. This is adorable. Wow. And so this is from Nahui Allen. I don't actually know how to pronounce it. I'm so sorry I butchered it. It was originally $54 and it's $9.99. Awesome price for a really cool clutch. I like it. I've said this before, but I'm Canadian, and so all the prices here are in American. I have not disclosed before how much the duties and taxes are in the past, just simply because it comes as a separate order, not attached to the actual order. So in order to find those receipts, I don't remember what ties to what anymore, so I actually can't tell you how much it cost. But it is pretty significant. The taxes are around 13% of the cost, plus however much the exchange rate is, and then an extra $10 Canadian for their time in figuring out what the duties and taxes are. So it is a little steep to ship it to Canada, not to mention the already steep shipping price, but I can't really fault it because it is secondhand shopping and it makes it so much easier to do so because I do not have good thrift stores in my area. They are not made for plus size women and the selection is kind of bad. I don't live near a big city, and so it's not a very good selection whatsoever. So in order to have something where I can shop and feel good about being sustainable, I have to do the online stuff, and so I don't actually mind paying the extra in order to get the good thrifted items. It just becomes a little bit of a problem when I don't like the items that I get and I want to return them, because I can't. But I've accepted that. So let's keep going. Ooh. So the next thing is this cute off-the-shoulder top in this blue plaid check pattern. Not quite sure what to call that, but it's really soft. It's by Style & Co. It's a 3X. Here, I'll just hold it over Blue Bear so you can see. And it is 100% modal. That explains why it's so soft. It's very cute. I'm excited to put this on. Normally I film these with the box next to me, so I'm trying to figure out how to hold them up, but I figured since Blue really wanted to cuddle and sit next to me that I should at least make some room for him. So this shirt was much softer than I even expected, and I actually really love it. It's such a cute off-the-shoulder top. It's nice and flowy, and the nice part is that the elastic on the shoulders is not tight at all, so it's awesome. This is a really cute tank top. So this is from Charter Club Women. It's in a 2X, and it's 60% cotton, 40% modal. It's got this really nice, almost tie-dye type pattern to it that I like. And I like the fact that it's got some lighter colors, so some greens and yellows. I don't have a lot of those in my wardrobe, so it's nice to add those colors to it. This was originally $45, and I got it for $9.99. So I'm not gonna lie, I love the colors on this, and the V is awesome. The stripes are actually really cool. They give a really nice dimension to the shirt without creating that terrible solid all the way across line. And I actually love how it sits. It makes me feel really confident. And sorry, this one here was originally $24 and I got it for $6.99. So this is just a nice bright red cardigan. I love cardigans. They're great to put on over tank tops at work or just to take with you if your office is a little bit chilly, but then you're kind of active during your job, so it goes from being really cold to really hot and you just need layers to take on and off. So this is also by from Charter Club. It's 60% cotton, 40% modal in a size 2X. And this was originally $74 and I got it for $10.99.
So I still love the color of this cardigan and it's really flattering. I love how like short it is. However, the arms are super tight, so I'm not going to keep it.
One of the things I was trying on ThredUP was to branch out in terms of what colors I normally get. I tend to stick to a lot of blues, like a lot of blues, and so I wanted to add some different pops of color, so like peaches, oranges, and pinks and yellows, because those I do not have a lot of in my wardrobe. This is gorgeous. It's got a bit of eyelet lace detail on the front, which I'm not sure if you can pick up on the camera. It's quite pretty. The body is made from 60% cotton, 40% modal, and the lace is made from 100% cotton. It's from Croft & Barrow in a 2X. It was originally $27 and I got it for $7.99.
So the color on this one is so sweet. Oh my god, and the lace is just adorable. I actually really like the color on my skin as well. Now, it's not the most flattering cut, but with a pair of high-waisted pants it look really good, so I like it.
Ooh, soft. Ooh, and pink stripes. This is interesting. This is from Sejour and it's a 2X. It's very soft and feels very comfortable. It's got this, instead of a normal neckline, it's almost got a semi-mesh neck. Quite an interesting detail. It is 95% modal, 5% spandex. That explains why I initially said it felt so incredibly soft. So this was originally $30 and I got it for $8.99. So I will admit I'm quite surprised by the pink because when I looked at it online, it looks black and white, and that actually explains why I bought it in the first place, because I don't know if I would have bought it initially if it had this pink and black, but now that I have it, I'm really happy with it. So I don't know how to feel about that, because it's not what I ordered, or what I thought I ordered. It is what I ordered, but not what I thought I was getting, just based on the picture. But I'm really happy with the result anyways, so I don't know.
So this was as soft as I thought it was gonna be. Oh my god. And it actually is really cute. Now it's creating some interesting optical illusion on the camera here, but I actually really love how it feels and it looks really nice.
I was thinking ahead. So remember how I said with that little clutch that you would need something to put your change in so that it wouldn't fall out? I did actually get a wallet with it. And so it's this nice little card wallet with a spot here for your driver's license. Got multiple card slots here, a few pockets, and then one big pocket in the middle. You know what, maybe I'm not that smart of thinking ahead. I think I might have gotten this from my partner. I'm not sure. I don't remember anymore. So this was originally $50 and I got it for $7.99. So this is one of those things that I might get a little bit of hatred for, is because of what it's made out of. So this is a leather wallet. Now, I would not buy the leather new. I don't like the idea of having something made from the skin of an animal when it's new, because then that animal was used for that. Whereas if it's thrifted, though, it's already been done and someone's already bought it. And so I don't know morally if that makes it any better, but I do know that these last a long time. So as I said, I would never buy it new, but because it's thrifted, I felt a little bit better about buying it. I don't know where you guys stand on this. If you disagree with me, feel free to leave it in the comments, but be respectful, please. The last thing is this kind of heavy gray dress. Ooh, it's kind of like business lady classy chic. It's by Lemon Tart Plus in a 1X. Very cute. I like how it flares. It's gorgeous. So I cannot, for the life of me, find where the tag is that tells me what this is made out of. Oh well, it feels really soft. It doesn't feel like polyester, so I'm happy. Oh, it's from Tarte, right. So Tarte usually has things that are 100% modal or 95% modal, 5% spandex, so I can at least rest assured this is probably modal. Just doesn't have the tag on it right now. So this was originally $118 and I got it for $28.99. It's very pretty.
So this one was not as flattering as I thought it was going to be. The bottom is much tighter than I expected. It's soft, but it's not flattering, so I'm not keeping it. Sorry.
So that is it for this thrift haul. I hope you guys enjoyed. I got quite a bit of different things in this thrift haul, so I hope that the variety was good for you. There was some things that I didn't expect to look like the way it did, but overall, I'm very happy with this haul. So I hope you have a wonderful day, beautiful people, and bye-bye.